Accuracy of components of the SCAT and ChildSCAT to identify children with concussion. Big issue here. There was no baselines. So basically the only things that were really all that effective were the symptom severity scores. Children, the delayed recall was pretty good, and delayed recall on the main SCAT5 was not quite significant, but almost significant. So basically, if you don't have a baseline, if you're going to just provide this to everybody, it seems like symptom severity, like here's the concussion group, here's the control group. And you can see here that the mean symptom scores 12 on symptom number, 32 on severity versus, 9 on severity in those that were, either had an upper limb injury or they were well patients. So you can see that's going to be different. But in terms of cognitive function, the SCAT really isn't that great, right? It's just the symptoms. So I think that's important. Also, tandem stance in kids was decent, but no baselines. I wonder if it would be different if you looked at baselines, but they didn't do it. So.